parents, by your friends, by society, by the news, by social media, by whatever it is, you start to believe things which aren't true. And what happens is when you start to dissect certain beliefs, you will start to notice that you can change those as well because they're not real. All beliefs are not real. They are just something that you put your own spin on or were taught to you, and you continue to believe them. And when you can start to change your belief system, you start to change your life. So, one great practice for you to do is for your beliefs is in a journal. You can even do it in your mind, on your phone, on your notes pad, whatever you have. Sit down and think of anything that is meaningful to you that you believe. And what I mean is, like, for me, for instance, a long time ago, I used to think I was addicted to drugs, or I thought that I was not worthy of love because I went through a divorce, things like that. And when you start to truly dive into them, like we write it down, look at it, why do I believe this? This isn't real. Of course, that's not real. And you start to slowly